What the f is RAM disk? It's gonna be bricked now. Oh, f off. It wasn't a f***ing iTunes update. It was a f***ing mother f. Hey guys, today we're going to jailbreak and downgrade the iPhone 4S. First I want to jailbreak it and test it out on iOS 9. All I should have to do is click jailbreak now. And it's downloading. Okay, it's installing. Okay. I think we needed this Phoenix. And start jailbreak. Oh. Yep. I do have Windows security on. I just remembered you have to turn that off. Turn it off. Yes. Okay. Okay. Let's start again. Downloading dependent files. What? Log in to sign the jailbreak package. What? Or do I just have to log in? Because this is not linked to an Apple ID. Let me see. So I made a new Apple account for this. Let's see. 6 digits code. Okay. And it should work now. Oh, what is that? Not completed. Please continue the following steps. Okay, we're connected to Wi-Fi now. Let's see if it... Oh, I'm stupid. Okay, Wi-Fi app, Wi-Fi. Okay, nice. And now for the jailbreak. Have to go in here, prepare for jailbreak. Accept. Free mixtape available. Okay, proceed with jailbreak. Begin installation. Device supported offsets found for use the provided offsets, I guess. It's doing some stuff. I'm gonna try to fix the iCloud servers. I think there's a fix for that. I'm not sure if it still works, but I'm going to try getting apps from the App Store. I'm gonna try out iOS 9 first, and then we'll downgrade it later. But for now, I just want to have a usable device. Maybe, I'm curious if YouTube can be fixed. That could be interesting. And there we go. It is now jailbroken and Cydia is there. Okay, so I found an archive full of iOS game packages. And I'm downloading Minecraft Minecraft Pocket Edition version 0.14.3, which should be good with iOS 6, but so I guess after the downgrade we can play this one as well, but I'm not sure if it's going to be compatible with iOS 9. What the hell? Can I just do that? Oh damn, I did do that. It's pretty cool. Okay, so I'm gonna experiment with this a little bit and try to install apps, and after that we're going to maybe try downgrading. Oh, let's see. Device version outdated. Oh yeah, okay, I'll uninstall them. I guess. Good. Ooh. Oh man, device does not have something. Okay, I'm doing something with Cydia. I think I'm updating everything. Loading. Okay. What now? I'll be honest, I don't know what I'm doing. This is the first time I ever jailbreak a phone, an iPhone, but let me tell you, I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. Big boss add-ons. Oh, what the hell is the App Store for Vlogs? Nothing. Cydia, that is fit. Bro. Okay, so shout out to the Electrical Outlet YouTube channel for the tutorial on how to get AppSync unified. I was able to get Minecraft on here. First success of the video. Okay, so I quickly realized that iOS 9 is not the way to go since it's terrorizingly slow. So we're gonna downgrade it to iOS 6, as I said. We're gonna need some tweaks for that first. We're just gonna put it in here. Like that. Or no? Oh, because it doesn't let me. Oh my god. I'm stupid. I just tried to move the files from the zip. Okay, it should work now. Okay, now we're going to, as you can see, I installed some apps. Now we're going to go to Filza Media, that's DCIM, and we're going to install these 4 tweaks, except for this one because this is already done. Let's do it. Okay, and I have to do this. Okay, now we're gonna get 3utools 2.56, and I'm going to install the last tweak. I need some other stuff, OpenSSL and curl. Okay, so I think that got us everything, and I should be able to, okay, there it is. KDFU up, find bundle. I think I need to do everything here. Bye-bye system. Oh, that sounds great. That sounds very, very nice. Now it's in DFU mode. And let's go flash. Select local, import. And it's probably in a zip file. Nope, it's right here. Open, and I should be able to flash it, but I'm gonna check the video real quick. First we need quick flash and flash. Flash. And now it's doing it. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm just gonna get far away from this laptop because as I said, this cable is not very reliable and I don't want to break my 4S. Oh, that is just great. Unable to switch DFU mode to recovery mode. Okay, what do I do now? Is it bricked? This is great. It just vibrated. Unknown device. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh my god. Connecting. Oh, okay. Oh man. Ooh, I just got so scared, man. Okay, it should work now. I mean, it's not iOS 6 as you can see. Okay, so it seems like my jailbreak tweaks are gone now. Okay. And it turned off. I'm in recovery mode now, and I'm gonna try using iTunes for this. iTunes will erase and restore your iPhone to iOS 6.1.3 and will verify the restore with Apple. Okay, the iPhone could not be restored. An unknown error occurred 32. Oh my god, you can help Apple improve its products. Yeah, sure, I want to. I can't believe it. Look at that. What? It's already here. Oh my god. It's already on the iOS 6 logo. Oh my god. What the f is RAM disk? Restore RAM disk. Sending device tree. Oh my god. It's gonna be bricked now. Oh, f off. Seriously, what the f is going on? Okay, so far so good. 20%. That's what we see. So I think the problem might have been this little USB-C to USB thing, because this laptop doesn't have a working regular USB port, so these don't work. So I took my sister's laptop and I'm gonna try doing it with that. It looks promising so far. We're gonna see what happens. I hope it works. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Congratulations, clean flush completed. Look at that. Let's capture the moment. Oh, would you look at that? It is done. Wow. Let's leak my location real quick. Support jailbreak tools for all devices without map and open to. The jailbreak is a perfect jailbreak. Please connect the device and operate it first. Okay, that should work. Hopefully it does. And iTunes 10.5 or above. Okay. Where's the update? Oh. Run diagnostics. Oh, there it is. Check for updates. Okay. What? Okay, update. Okay. Welcome to your new iPhone. Yeah, it definitely looks like one of these. iTunes is updating the software. What? What? No. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, do not do that. I just unplugged it. Was that a bad idea? Oh, for f***'s sake. Oh my god, I just did it. I just finally did it and it didn't. Oh my god, it wasn't a f***ing iTunes update. It was a f***ing motherfucking. It was the iOS update. So it turns out I actually had to downgrade iTunes. In this clip you can see me already jailbreaking. But yeah, I overlooked the fact that that wasn't an iTunes update and I had to restart from scratch. But I guess that's just what happens when I try to rush things. And there you have it, the iPhone 4S running iOS 6.1.3. It didn't go as smoothly as I expected, but we did it. If you'd like to see similar content, please consider subscribing as it helps a lot more than you'd think. Thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you in the next one.